Now, one of the important aspects of a good healthcare system is community participation. It functions with the idea that people can be trained and involved in primary healthcare system. For example, NGOs like Seva in Ahmedabad, Accord in Nilgiris are working in India. Trade unions have built alternative healthcare services for their members to give low cost and rational care to people from nearby villages. For example, Shaheed Hospital, built in 1983, is maintained by workers of Chhattisgarh mines. Shramik Sangh in Durg, Madhya Pradesh. Some rural organizations like Kastakari Sangathan in Thane, Maharashtra have also made attempts to build alternative healthcare initiatives. So as the private sector is dominating the health infrastructure, this community participation is coming up. Like the NGOs and the various communities together, they are setting up various alternative healthcare centers where the people can have access to the healthcare facilities at a very low cost. Okay, so these are few examples. So one or two names you have to learn. Next is medical tourism in India. So what is this medical tourism? Health services in India combine latest medical technologies with qualified professionals. Moreover, health services are cheaper in India as compared to the cost of similar healthcare services in other countries. Yes, though we are saying that yes, the private hospitals are unaffordable, but if we compare it to the other developed nations, our healthcare services are much cheaper than them. So healthcare services in India now combine latest medical technologies with qualified professionals, and it is cheaper compared to other countries. So as a result, foreigners come to India for surgeries, liver transplants, dental and even cosmetic surgeries. In 2016, around 2 lakh foreigners visited India for medical treatment, and by 2020, India could earn more than 500 billion rupees through such medical tourism. India needs to upgrade its health infrastructure to attract more foreigners in India. So as it is cheaper than other countries, and now India is also having the latest modern technologies for them in the medical grounds with qualified professional, and as it is cheaper than the other countries, foreigners are coming to India for such things. Okay, and if India upgrades its health infrastructure more, then it will increase this medical tourism in India. So hope the non-profit organization, it is clear. Again, I am repeating, it is a kind of community participation, except government hospital, as it is not there much in our country, as the private sector dominates the health infrastructure. So that is why NGOs and other non-profit organizations other organizations like some community-based organizations are forming groups. Okay, especially in the rural areas, so that people there can have access to health facilities and they do not need to depend upon the private health centers. Okay, and so few names are to be remembered, like you can remember Seva in Ahmedabad, Accord in Nilgiris. Okay, then Shaheed Hospital in Chhattisgarh. Okay, the Maharashtra one is a bit hard to remember, but these three you all can remember. Next day, we will be moving to Indian System of Medicine, ISM. Okay, so thank you, children.